I decided to do a little experiment by making a cream liqueur using aromatic schnapps. So I started by pouring some aromatic schnapps into the blender, followed by some condensed milk, after which I poured some homemade heavy cream, followed by some coffee syrup, some chocolate syrup. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of that, and lastly some vanilla extract. I'm going to cover this up and blend for about 10 minutes or until it is properly combined. The full list of the ingredients is in the description, so be sure to check it out, okay? After blending, I transfer into a bottle and I cover it up and refrigerate. Look how creamy it is, guys. And it also tastes so yummy and so creamy. Like this one here is a huge recipe success, and it's also budget friendly. Let me know in the comment section if you're ever going to recreate this recipe. I'll see you soon. Bye.